So this is the question, and it's 2018 November, which is mathematics paper 2, and it's question 2B. So the first question says, at Sambiriren College, 20 students studied at least one of the three subjects, which is mathematics M, chemistry C, and physics P. All those who study chemistry also study mathematics. 3 students study all the 3 subjects. 4 students study mathematics only. 8 students study chemistry and 14 students study mathematics. The first question reads, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. So you have been told to draw a Venn diagram to show the information from this set. So how do you start? So according to the information, you have been told that you have to draw the first set. They said mathematics and chemistry. All those people who do mathematics, they also do chemistry. Or all those who do chemistry, they also do mathematics. So that's why they said for chemistry, it's inside. And you draw it like this. The first thing you do, you check. The people who study all the 3 subjects, there are how many? 3. So you write 3 here at the center of all the sets. Maths, physics, chemistry, they pass here. This is why you put your what? Your 3. The next one, they said 4 students. They said what? 4 students study mathematics only. Since they said maths only, 4 students study mathematics only. Since it's only, so you come to maths, you put it on the set for maths, which is there. That's where you put your 4. The next thing, you come to chemistry. They told us 8 students. They said 8 students study what? Chemistry. 8 students study chemistry. You have seen? 8 students study what? Chemistry. Now you come, since there are 8 students who are studying what? Chemistry. So you say 8 minus 3. It's what? 5. So here you put what? You put 5. Now, how are we going to find the number which is found here? Maths and physics here. The people who study maths and physics here. How do we find the number here? So you add all the numbers, which is 4 plus, I've seen 4 plus 5 plus 3. 4 plus 5, it's 9. 9 plus 3, it's what? 12. Now you come to the total number for people who study mathematics. They said 14 students study mathematics. 14 students study mathematics. So you add all this, which is 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is 12. And you have been told that people who study mathematics, there are how many? 14. So you say 14. You have been told that there are 14 those who study mathematics from the question here. 14 students study mathematics. So you say 14 minus 12, the one you got after adding this. So you say 14 minus 12, it's what? 2. So here you put what? 2 here. So it means the people who study mathematics and physics, they are how many? 2. So that when you add all these numbers, it should give you what? 14. So let's see. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So it means in mathematics there were 14. What about chemistry? They gave us chemistry, there were how many? 8. So 5 plus 3, it's 8. So now, how do we find P? In the question, they didn't give us any number for set P or for physics. So what do? From the question, you have been told that at Sambililen College, there were how many? 20. So you will say 20 minus, you add all these numbers for you to find P. So you say 4 plus 5, it's 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So you say 20 minus 14. What do you get? You get 6. So here on physics, there are how many? 6. You are done. This is 2 marks for you just by doing this. Now we come to question B. Question B, it was saying, which is question 2. Now question 2 has got A, B, C. So question 2 reads as you can see, this is question 2. Question 2 reads as, how many students study physics only? How many students study physics only? Now, since they said physics only, so it means you just get the number, which is what? 6 students. 6 what? Students. So there are 6 students who do what? Who study physics only. But now, if in the question they didn't say only, if the question says, how many students study physics? You would have added all this. You would have added everything in physics, which is 3 plus 2 plus 6. But now, here they said physics only. So it means we just pick one number, which is this one. So we are done on A. We are now on B. Question B reads as, how many students study 2 subjects only? They just want 2 students who study how many subjects? 2 only. So you can see maths and chemistry, there are how many? 5. So you say 5 plus those who study maths and physics, there are how many? 2. So what do you get? 5 plus 2 is what? 7 students. 7 students. This is your answer. We come to C. C reads as, how many students study mathematics and physics, but not chemistry? So once you meet a question and it demands you to answer it like that, what they are trying to ask you is that don't touch anything in chemistry, remove chemistry. In other ways, don't touch chemistry. Chemistry, remove it like this, so that you are not able to see anything in chemistry, and what has remained is what you add. Once you meet a question which demands you to answer like this, how many students study mathematics and physics, but not chemistry? So it means close chemistry. What has remained? So which is 4 plus 2 plus 6. So here you will say 4 plus 2 plus 6. What do you get? You get 12. So that's your answer there.